Situated between the avava or gulches of Kaluapulani and Kalialinui lies the Ahupuaʻa of ʻAʻapueo. ʻAʻapueo is one of 20 ahupuaʻa in the moku of Kula and encompasses roughly 2,000 acres of land on 3.2 square miles. The land tenure system of Maui is unique and unlike any other island. More than 35% of the total ahupuaʻa on Maui lack a mauka and or makai boundary. The Ahupuaʻa of ʻAʻapueo is one example of this, whereby it is completely surrounded by the Ahupuaʻa of Makaehu, Kohoʻilo, and Kalialinui. Named ili or subdivisions found within the Ahupuaʻa of ʻAʻapueo are Pili Kaula, Kamukumuku, ʻApopo, Papawahanui, Vaiʻeli, Kolokapalena, Kolokapeʻelua, Kaʻilikoa, Ohiʻamukumuku, Kuaiaha, and Kauhiuhi. According to Mo'olelo, ʻAʻapueo received its name after the famed female owl, ʻAʻapueo, who lived during the reign of Chief Kanene Nui a Kawaikalu of Maui and who fought to avenge the death of her offspring in the Battle of the Owls. Other meanings associated with its name refers to a girdle made from owl feathers which was reserved for a li'i, or one who is bold, brave, or valiant like a pueo. The makani or wind names associated with the moku of Kula are the kehau, which is a gentle land breeze, and hau, which is a cool breeze. ʻAʻapueo is also known for having strong gusts that come from the north towards the south. The native landscape of ʻAʻapueo was considered part of a greater contiguous dryland forest region within the Kulamoku. The ili names provide important clues as to what was likely naturally growing throughout the Ahupuaʻa and beyond. Wili Wili, Ohiʻalehua, Iliahi, Uhiuhi, and Kauaiʻa were likely the dominant canopy trees that showered over an abundance of a'ali'i and other native shrubs and ground covers. During the Great Mahele, or land division enacted by Kamehameha III Kauikeaouli in 1848, followed by the Kuleana Act of 1850, 6 Land Commission awards and royal patent grants were awarded in the Ahupuaʻa of ʻAʻapueo. Majority of the Ahupuaʻa was awarded to Hawaiian chiefess Analea Keahokalole, who was the wife of Caesar Kapa'akea and mother to King David Kalakaua and Queen Liliuokalani, as well as 8 other notable children. Prior and following Western contact, ʻAʻapueo was famed for mahi uwala or sweet potato cultivation. Ka'ai Pohuehue noted on January 14, 1848 to the Land Commission that he was requesting a kuleana land parcel in the Ahupuaʻa of ʻAʻapueo, where he was currently cultivating 2 farm plots of sweet potato and 5 farm plots of Irish potato. The name of the land in ʻAʻapueo was Pai Kukui Pa'ili. These particular kuleana lands of his in the Lalele ʻAina of ʻAʻapueo were granted from Keahokalole. There were 3 prominent geological and cultural features within the Ahupuaʻa of ʻAʻapueo associated with pu'u or cinder cones. The first being Pu'u Mahanalua, or twin pu'u located at the Mauka boundary of ʻAʻapueo at an elevation of 3,800 feet and situated on Haleakala ranch lands. The second pu'u is Pu'u Pane, and is the most prominent and culturally significant hill located directly on the Mauka side of the old Kula Road. The hill was considered a sacred heiau, reserved for high-ranking chiefs of Maui, which meant no maka'ainana was allowed to ascend upon it. A kahuna was also said to have lived in ʻAʻapueo who looked over the significant site. The third and last pu'u associated with ʻAʻapueo is Pu'uʻoweli. Pu'uʻoweli has been translated by some as the Hill of Fear. It is the large hill situated on the Mauka side of the current entrance of Kamehameha School's Maui campus and guard station. It is also located on the border of ʻAʻapueo and Kohoʻilo. There are 2 ki'ipuhaku or petroglyph panels containing 5 elements of wa'a or canoes and crab claw sails at the foot of Pu'uʻoweli. ʻAʻapueo, like many other ahupuaʻa in the Kulamoku, were famous for their ki'ipuhaku or petroglyphs. Extensive ancient carved images within the stone-walled gulches depict holoholona, animals, manu, birds, kanaka, people, all in different shapes and forms and even stances. One thing that stands out more than others is the vast amount of wa'a or canoe images throughout the area, and likely signified the once abundant natural resources of wooded materials used for building wa'a in the uplands here in the moku of Kula. While our haumana come from various parts of Maui, ʻAʻapueo is the ʻāina that unites us all. As educators of the lahui, it is our collective kuleana not only to learn, but also to create opportunities for our haumana to establish pilina within these spaces and places. The Ahupuaʻa of ʻAʻapueo, for as small as it is a significant wahipana with abundant natural and cultural resources. Today, Kamehameha Schools Maui is one of the major stewards whose kuleana it is to ensure that what remains in the Ahupuaʻa is preserved and perpetuated along with the restoration of traditional Hawaiian practices, because when we establish intimate connections to ʻāina, we know what's at stake and are willing to go the limit to ku'upau.